Yes, our first stop is here at Branson City, Missouri. So we came here and find a place. And if you don't know what Branson City is all about, it's more like an outlet store where you can buy things from the countryside. And you'll find different places here, different uh, souvenir shops, which is good for like a country like. So something different. You can find many magnets and different kinds of bags, counter bags like native bags, and native items, boots and hats, which is done from their own local manufacturing, their own product. So this is Branson, Missouri, and they have also many rides in here, but we are not, the riders, so we just take a look around and find a lot of something to buy, like small stuff for souvenirs, magnets, and keychains, and some shirts also that we use because in here most of the time their temperature is also not that cold, but at that moment, this moment when we are riding or when we are walking along, it's really windy and it's really really cold. I thought I will not be that cold, but then it's good that I have my gloves on for winter and it was really freezing. Now I can show you, this is a different kind of burger. I ordered this one and it's what you call the cheeseburger nachos trash can. That's at first I thought I'm gonna eat it there in the trash can. And so we have, you see, big slices and big servings, which is so very American. All right. Yes, this is the whole way. And here I can show you also. It's just a bit of the Branson City, and we really have fun in here.